Hello everyone, my name is Andrew and I'm with Pure Resonance Audio. Today we're going to be discussing how to set up a sound system for a business. So the first thing we need to determine when setting up a sound system for a business is what is the actual application. Are we using it for sound masking where speech privacy is needed? Are you looking for background music throughout the space or in hallways or in a lobby area? Or do you need something that's a little louder? Are we looking for really good foreground music? The other thing we're going to ask you is what is the ceiling type? The ceiling type plays a big role in what speaker we use. Whether you're using a drop tile ceiling or if you have a hard sheetrock ceiling or maybe an open ceiling, we're going to use a different speaker. Maybe something like this in-ceiling speaker that can be installed in a drywall ceiling or a drop tile ceiling. Or maybe something like this surface mount speaker where we can attach it to beams or walls and point it in the direction we need the sound to go. Once we've determined that, what we'll normally do is ask you for a floor plan so we can take a look at the layout and the dimensions. We'll ask you what areas you need coverage, what areas are problematic if it's for speech privacy. Once we know that, we can give you a good idea of how many speakers you need, what speaker options may be best for the space. We can give you multiple options if you're looking for something that's economical, if you're on a tight budget. If you're looking for the best of the best, we can give you options for that. And then from there, we can pair it with an amplifier that makes sense. We usually start with the speakers, how many speakers you need, and then we can tell which amplifier is appropriate for the amount of speakers that we're using and the type. That's a short overview of how we set up a system or design a system for a business. Each scenario is different. There's not one that's the same. We can use different types of speakers in different areas. We can add volume controls if you need certain areas to be able to control up and down. We can use an amplifier that has zoning capabilities if you want music in some areas and sound masking in others. We can also set it up to have a paging mic if you're looking for a system that can do music, sound masking, and paging if you need to make announcements throughout the building. So there's a lot of options, endless opportunities, depending on what you're looking for. I'm sure that we can help you. If you have any questions about what that looks like, if you have a space that needs a system, call us and we can help you with the design. That's what we're here for. Hope this was helpful. And if you have any questions, reach out. And until next time, we'll see you guys.